Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Sabah Speaks, and I am Sabah. This video is about unboxing the books that I have ordered from Flipkart's big Diwali sale. I have ordered 6 books in total and one is yet to be delivered. I have 7 days to return them in case I want to return them. That's why I don't want to wait any longer and miss my chance to return the books. However, the last book that I have ordered is going to arrive next week. So let's quickly begin the unboxing. Okay, so here I have 2 cartoons and then some plastic bags. Okay, so let me first open this cartoons. Okay, so Chetan Bhagat's One Arranged Murder. This book is a sequel to the book The Girl in Room 105. So the MRP of this book is 225 rupees and I got this book for 123 rupees. Let me open this book. Okay, so yeah, so the condition of the book is really nice and obviously this is not a pirated copy. Yeah. And I also got a bookmark, this cool bookmark. So yeah, let's move on to the next book. So I have already opened this cartoon. So the first book here is Murder on the Orient Express. Oh sorry, I forgot to say the genre of this book is fiction. It's a fiction. Okay, so the next one is Murder on the Orient Express by Agatha Christie. The genre is fiction and mystery. So the MRP of this book is 299 and I got this book for 149 rupees. Okay, let me open this book. So wow, I really wanted to read some mystery kind of a book. So this is the best book I guess to start with. Wow, it's really nice. I'm very happy. Yeah. The next book in the box is 12 Commandments of Being a Woman by Tahira Kashif Khurana. Actually, I have heard a lot of positive review about this book on Instagram. And from that point onwards, I wanted to get this book for myself. So yeah, let's open this book. Wow. Okay. So the cost of this book is 299. So this book is non-fiction. I got it for 120 rupees. Isn't that wow? You know, actually the funda is when you buy 3 books, you will get 2% discount, and when you buy 4 books you will get 3% discount, and it goes on like this, I guess. Yeah, again I got 3 cool books bookmark here. Bookmark of The Fault in Our Stars. Okay, so next move on to the plastic ones. Let's open. Okay, so this book is little bit bent here. A little bit kind of like, folded at the edges, but let's see if so. This book is The Good Girl's Guide to Being a by Alexandra Reinhardt. So this book cost 299 and I got it for 204 rupees. I'm not that happy with the condition of this book. It is little bit bent here on the corner. Yeah, but it's okay, I guess. Yeah, so no bookmark in this. So this is the last package. Okay, let me open this and see which book is this. Okay, so this is the last book, The Complete Novels of Sherlock Holmes by Sir Arthur Conan Doyle. Again, the cover of this book is slightly, it's slightly slant, like slightly folded. The cost of this book is, it's in some dollars. I got this book for 149. Okay, so there are 4 novels in this book. Okay, the condition is good, pretty good. I'm happy with this book. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.